A recent manufacturer's junket sponsored by Denon and Marantz took me to the Japanese cities of Kawasaki, Shirakawa, and Yokohama. My Denon and Marantz factory tour in Kawasaki and Shirakawa covered new product launches, a hall of fame that ran the length of the factory, a product museum, sound master demos, and a brief visit with the employee who has made the classic Denon DL103 moving coil cartridge for over 25 years. In addition to seeing and hearing Denon's first product, the wind-up Nippanophone, we were treated to classic Denon and Marantz equipment, interviews with the sound masters and designers, a bento box lunch, and a visit to the noisy factory floor. Coming from the grime and social offensiveness that is New York City, Japan is a revelation.
Hello everybody and welcome in our Denon cartridge assembly facility. So this is where the beautiful DL103 cartridge, our most famous cartridge, will be assembled. This product has seen the first light of day in 1964, and until this day, the manner of making and producing this element or cartridge hasn't changed anything. We have only one person who can do this job, which is a female, and they do this because they have a lot of sensitivity in their hands. But with our naked eye, it's even difficult for us to see the wire, and she does it with such precision and craftsmanship. Truly an amazing sheet to see. But she should be senior cartridge assembly manager. That's true.